Hi, here we have a end-terraced 1960s bungalow with cavity walls and what looks like a rear extension with a flat roof, but it is separated from the main part of the house and it's unheated. Let's check the electric meter. Hopefully it's a dual rate meter because there's storage heaters here. And there you go, that is an economy 7 meter. Cavity wall insulation, retrofitted. There's the drill holes in a pattern. Unheated, separated, similar to a Porsche. Separated by an outside quality door. This is a dimplex XLS6 storage heater. IP rated, quite often found in bathrooms. So inspection of the loft, checking the loft insulation and the party wall. There's quite a lot of loft insulation here. The party wall isn't solid. And the kitchen has a CXL, dimplex CXL storage heater. It's classed as an integrated storage heater. The peak heater strapped to the front of it and a storage heater in the back. Dual immersion, spray foam, medium sized tank. See, I think that insulation is going to be 38mm. Here we have a Dimplex Quantum QM 125 high heat retention storage heater with high heat retention storage heater controls, QM 125 Series G. Checking the wall thickness, 300mm. That's cavity wall, but we've seen the drill holes already. Just checking out the rear elevation. There we go, no conservatories or anything. Floor type, no air vents, so solid floor. Another integrated storage heater, a Dimplex CXL. See the air vent in the floor. That looks like there may be ducting from an old warm air system that was here. Oh yeah, and in the ceiling as well there's a warm air vent there for an antiquated warm air heating system. With a low energy bulb as well, and then the bathroom is an electric shower only. And here's my audit photos. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more variations in different houses, as I'll keep posting. Thanks a lot. Bye.